Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do some special treats for Easter. We're making a jello treat and we're making a cake, and we have some candy that we're making for Easter for the children at the church. So they want healthy snacks, so we decided to just put some really healthy snacks inside of an egg, and I'll be bringing that to church. And here at my house, we're going to be making a jello dessert for after dinner for the children here. I have a special guest today, and she's joining me to make the jello treats.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel!
Okay, and so here we have the jello treats set out, and we already froze them into egg shapes. And we did them in different colors. We did the lemon, we did the strawberry, and we did the peach. And we also going to have some whipped cream to go on top. And these are just little dessert treats for after dinner, but we wanted it to look like Easter treats, so we made it in egg shapes. So we're going to get started with that in a minute.
While Granny's unwrapping the egg, I will be talking about how I am a state champion on floor in gymnastics. And yes, this is Ava. And I am so honored to be here today and help you watch a magnificent video from Sonia Duncan. So I just want to tell you, like and subscribe, please. That one wasn't the best, but there's two more. And I'm gonna help with it.
These are not working out. They're supposed to be turning into eggs. They're supposed to be like little eggs. And
it was just one little pack. This is amazing! I love it! It's so good! Hello everyone, welcome back to Sonia Down South. Today we're making an apple dump cake. First we start by placing the apples in the bowl. One second. Okay. And we place it all around the bowl like this. We spread it around the bowl. We make sure to get all the apples out. And then we just use a spoon and then just put it all around. We're gonna put the flour, cake mix, and put it on top of the apples. Can I do it? Half a bag of cake mix. Just spread it out. And don't be harmed by the name. A dump cake.
Spread it all over the apples, right?
Spread it all over. Try not to see the apples. Wait, can I just...
Okay, and then we're going to cut this.
And then we have to cut the butter. And then we cut the butter.
video. It was really for my granddaughter, and I promised her that she could be in one of my videos, and she was. So thank you for watching. May God bless you. May God keep you, and happy Easter to everyone.